your guitar trainer Souvik, and welcome to our channel Skillhai. Today we'll be doing a guitar lesson of the song Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. It's an amazing song. So we'll get to the chords of the song, which are E minor, G major, D major, A major and C major. The strumming of the song is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So we go with the beginning of the song with E minor, G major, D major, A major. I'll walk alone, the only that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk alone. So the following lines go on with the same tune, same chord progression and then we get to the chorus part of the song, which goes with a C major. My shadow's the only one that walks beside me. My shadow was the only thing that's beating. So what I'm doing here is that I'm playing a C major instead of an E minor this time, and rest of the progression is basically the same. See, C major, G major, D major, A major. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone. So what we are doing here is, we pick up the ring finger from the first string and put it on the. So what we're doing here is, we're picking up our ring finger from the first string and putting it on the fourth string, fourth fret. We get a sound, odd sound like this. This is the ending. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone. See, an odd sound you get. So this is how the chord and all the chords go on, and this is how the song goes on. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel.